a devil's town. Oh Lord, it really brings me down about the devil town. Devil town. And all my friends were vampires. Didn't know they were vampires. Turns out I was a vampire myself in the devil town. Devil town. I was living in a devil town. Didn't know it was a devil town. Oh Lord, it really brings me down about the devil town. Devil town. Austin, Texas. I was just a poor boy, a slave in Babylon. I was just a pawn in the devil's game of death. Poor me, poor me. I was just a